check out this door seal. Doesn't look like it leaks at all. This is like a lava lock gasket. You can get them on eBay or Amazon. And yeah, I know this pit's ridiculous looking. It was meant to be designed as something else, and just turned out to be this. But you can see this seals the door up perfectly almost, yeah. Check me out on Etsy.com. Store name Metal Disorder. I don't sell pits like this on there, but I sell little grills and a bunch of other artwork stuff. A lot of welded artwork. Pretty cool stuff. Check it out.